consider the expression we have here, and we want to apply the order of operations to evaluating this expression. The first thing we do when we evaluate an expression is we look for exponents and we exponentiate. So we have an exponent here. Now, the 3 and the 2 are connected by the exponent. Notice that the 5 isn't connected by to the exponent, okay? 3 to the second power has to be done before we multiply anything by 5. So 3 to the second power, of course, is 9. 9 times 5 then turns out to be 45. And we're going to see that up here. Now, the 2 over 3 plus 4. People will frequently, especially if the spacing kind of looks like it, add the 3 and the 4. And that's not correct. We do the 2 divided by 3. What do you get if you do 2 divided by 3? You get 2/3. Okay? And then to that you add 4. Now, to evaluate the rest of the expression, there are ways you could do. You put all this over common denominator 3 if you wanted to, and add everything up. But since we're into addition and subtraction, we just regard this as addition of 4 numbers. 4, negative 45, 2/3, and 4, so that we can add those in any order we want to. So I go ahead and add the 4 and the negative 45 and the 4, and that gives us negative 37. And we still have our 2/3. So now we have negative 37 plus 2/3. And we can pretty easily figure out that, well, if we're at negative 37 on the number line and move over 2/3, that moves us 2/3 of the way to 36. And now that's going to be at negative 36. We're going to be at negative 36 and another third. So that would be the result. But we're going to go ahead and do this just by putting both of these terms over a common denominator. And negative 37, if I multiply by 3 divided by 3, gives us negative 111 over 3. Add that to 2, and we get negative 109 over 3. Now we got 3 plus 2 times this, which is negative 109 over 3. 3 minus 218 over 3. Put this over common denominator again. 3 is 9/3. 9/3 minus 218 thirds. Well, that's 9 minus 218, which is negative 209 thirds. And that's negative 69 2/3 if you want to express it as a mixed number, which is handy if you want to see how big it is.